In this video, I'll show you step by step how we made $46,932 in just 2 months without showing my face or running ads or selling anything, and just by using YouTube to drive affiliate traffic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. Now, here is the crazy part. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, right after Google. That means people are literally searching for the exact product that you are already promoting. The opportunity is huge, and 99% of beginners are ignoring it. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because in the next few minutes I'll show you how to pick the right product or services, get free traffic even if you have 0 subscribers, and turn free videos into daily commissions. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, guys, I'll show you my method, my new method with YouTube. So let's get started. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and just last month I made $22,439. As you can see over here, it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account, and as you can see, this is my invoice, this is the payment, and so on. Okay, so you can see the numbers here. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, and for beginners who don't know what exactly is affiliate marketing, guys, it's one of the easiest way to make money online without creating your own products or services or dealing with customer service. Here is how it works. You just need to promote other people's products using unique affiliate link, and whenever someone buys using your unique link, you earn a commission. Simply as that. Okay, now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let me show you exactly how I'm making over $30,000 per month with 100% free traffic. And let's get started. First, guys, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. So you need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one and the profitable one that I'm working with, guys, is Fiverr. So you guys can go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. Of course, it's for free. All you need to do is just to use your email address to sign up. After you finish, guys, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So what you will do, you will come to this page and scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down and until you see this company over here. So you should see also affiliates over here. Okay, click on affiliate like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you are promoting with Fiverr affiliates. From my experience, like I said in my videos, this is, guys, the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Why? Because they are paying a good, profitable commissions. Okay, guys, it's 17% of the first order. Okay, 17% of commission for the first orders. That's a really, it's a lot of money, and I'll share with you guys how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting, which services you should start promoting, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you, and so much more. The best part with this business, guys, that you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buys a service from your affiliate link, you will earn a good commission for his first order. If this person, guys, will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep earning 10% revenue share. It's passive income. If you focus on promoting evergreen services that people can keep buying lifetime, you will keep making so much commissions. Okay, so anyway, so to create your affiliate account, guys, just go back to this page here and click on join now like this. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is easy. Anyone can sign up. All you need to do, put your first name here, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. If you are Fiverr seller, choose this one. If you have a company, you can choose this one. So for if you just started, you are beginner, choose just private. Okay, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? Meaning, do you have a website? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Okay, and click on country and choose your country. Search for your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start a business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany. Search for your country from here and so on. Search, click over here on English and click on language and choose your language from here. And if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. You can see that the sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, you should see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, people who use their affiliate links to sign up to Fiverr, people who use their affiliate link to buy those services from you. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting as a Fiverr affiliate marketer on YouTube. We will use YouTube, guys. So what we will do next, we will go and open our YouTube account like this. You guys have a YouTube account, it's for free. Go and open your YouTube account. You guys don't know, like I said, you don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. And YouTube, guys, is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. People already searching for those services that you will start promoting, and YouTube can make you so much money. It's not just, a lot of people think they have limiting beliefs and you think that you can make money from YouTube just from AdSense. No, you can make money from YouTube, from affiliate marketing, from, you can sell products, you can sell services, you can sell coaching, you can coaching services, and so much more. There are a lot of ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel on YouTube without AdSense. Okay, what you will do, guys, next, we will use YouTube search bar, and we will click on the search bar and we will ask question. For example, I'm gonna ask let's say how to run, and here you go. You see this? How to run, let's say ads on Facebook. You see this? You just need to ask question, and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. You see this? Report search prediction. That's what people are searching for right now on YouTube. People search for how to run ads on Facebook, how to run ads on Instagram, how to run ads on TikTok. So people who are searching for this topic, they have money and they want to know how to run ads for Facebook. So maybe they have product, service, and they want to run ads for those services or products or their business. Okay, so what you will do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will go back to your homepage on Fiverr and you will click on the search bar and you will search for Facebook ads. Okay, search for this service that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so click on the search for Facebook ads like this. So just search for Facebook ads, and I want you to pay close attention in this step. After you search for Facebook ads services, you will scroll down. You will find here a lot of sellers on Fiverr who provide this service. So for you guys, what you need to do is you need to choose good sellers. How you can choose good sellers? You can choose always like top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, and pro sellers. Okay, so let me choose one of those sellers here. For example, we have like this one here. I will set up and manage your Facebook ads. This one is pro seller, which is really good. This one also is a pro seller. If I scroll more here, also this one is good, top rated seller. We have also this one. I will be your expert one-on-one Facebook ads coach. This one is a good one. Is pro seller, okay? And he has 5-star, which is really good. Okay, so this seller has experience and he knows exactly how to run ads for Facebook. Okay, how to run ads on Facebook for any business. So this one is a good one. So what I will do next is I will choose this one. I will just click on his service like this. Just click on the seller service that you want to use and you will be directly in this seller profile page. This seller has one order in queue, which is good. And here you go. So what you will do next, guys, you will copy the link of this seller. Copy the profile link of this seller. Go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. Click on your dashboard over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, postback. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. What you will do next, you will click here on dip link and you will put this seller profile link here and you will click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you guys choosing Pro sellers, always copy your affiliate link from here. If you are choosing just top rated level 1, level 2 sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. Okay. So for me guys, I do have this one, Fiverr CPA old plan, because I have old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said, I have been doing this business for over 5 years. I still have this option. It's the same for you. If you can't see this option if you have new accounts, but it's almost the same like this one. Okay, this one is even Fiverr Pro new plan. This new plan is even better one. Okay, so, and by the way guys, I do have an affiliate marketing course for people who want to take this business seriously. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Inside my affiliate marketing course, you will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, where I promote those services, how you can create good content that converts and make you daily commissions, and so much more. You will get also access to my team and I, so we will follow up with you until you understand everything. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me and I'll get back to you. Okay, so anyway, let's finish the video guys. So what we need to do guys, like I said, we just created our affiliate link. What we need is we need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what we will do guys is we will go back to this seller profile page, and as you can see guys, this seller has a video which is really good. Let me check his video.
How's it going? So Facebook advertising can be very difficult and very daunting if you're just starting out. So what I've basically done.
So this seller is explaining to people how he can help people who want to learn how to run Facebook ads. So this seller will teach people how to run Facebook ads and promote their products or services on Facebook. Okay, so what we will do next, we will click on the video, double click, and we will click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, so save the video, just double click and click on save. Okay, like this. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Okay, search for Canva like this. So after you do that, it's for free guys. Search for Canva on Google, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video. Let me show you. So just click on video over here like this and click on over here video. Okay, you will be in this page. Super easy and simple. Click over here on upload and click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr about the Facebook ads service. I will go to downloads over here and I will search for my video. This is my video about Facebook ads. Open, and here you go. Okay, after you do that, click on your video over here like this, and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points and click on scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. What you will do next, you will click here on text, click on add sub heading, or you can scroll down and choose the text style that you like to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on any text style that you want to use guys for your video. Your text will be over here. Delete the second one here, and they will keep using just this one, and they will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this, check link in my description, because I will put my affiliate link in my description. Okay, and they will make this text small like this. Okay, and it's good, looking good. Okay, so what I will do next, let me put this text here, and here you go. Okay, so what you will do next guys, you will click on share. You have a video, click on download, and the video will be downloaded into your laptop. Go back to your YouTube channel, open a YouTube channel, it's for free. Upload the video to your YouTube channel, use this title, how to run ads on Facebook. You can add in 2025. Okay, in your YouTube description, put the same sentence. Okay, the same keyword that people are using to search for this video. Okay, so your video can rank in the search results of YouTube, and people can find your video, watch your video, check your description, click on your affiliate link, and buy this service from you, so you earn a commission. In your description, create this title: If you are looking for how to run ads on Facebook, check link below. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here, Fiverr Pro new plan, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay? That's exactly how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube. That's how you can monetize your YouTube channel. You don't need subscribers. You don't need to get a million of views. Just targeting the right audience can make you so much commissions. Just few hundred views, few thousand views can make you so much commissions. I have videos that got just under 1,000 views and made over $2,000 in commissions with affiliate marketing, with affiliate commissions. Okay, and that's it, guys. I shared with you everything here. You just need to go and start. If you guys can make, also guys, you need, so the problem now is you guys, a lot of people will watch this video and you guys will go and upload the same video, and that's the problem. So what you will do, guys, is you will upload this video as Creative Commons. For better, it's better to create your own videos. Okay, if you guys can create your own videos, that's gonna be better, and this will help you a lot to scale and get views and turn and convert those views into customers, because those people who search for how to run ads on Facebook, they have money. They have money to invest in ads, but they don't know how to do it. So this is exactly what this seller will do. This seller on Fiverr, he is expert seller. He know exactly how to do ads on Facebook. Okay, so he can teach people who have money how to do it correctly and run ads for their businesses to promote their product, their services. Anyway, okay, so you have the idea. People who are asking how much you will earn, that's the best profitable business that you guys can start. Okay, look at this. The basic package, guys, starting from $295. Okay, if you remember, this seller is pro seller. For pro sellers, guys, we will earn, like I said, 17% of the first order. If we go to ChatGPT and ask him what is 17% of $295, okay, the best part is they can keep buying this service again and again to get more info, and for you will earn a lot of commissions. Look at this, guys. You will earn $206. $206 for just one service, guys. One customer. You just need one customer and you will earn $206. And YouTube has a lot of traffic. You just need to make good content to get views, target, make videos that people are searching for, that make videos about those topics that people are searching. How to run ads on YouTube, how to run ads on Twitch, on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, for Shopify. Search for Shopify ads. Google for Google my business, and a lot. You have a lot of services that you can promote. Start promoting services that people are searching for. That's how we can make so much money. I have using this method, and guys, by the way, YouTube is the best traffic source for me. It's really profitable. I make videos once, and those videos keep getting views and keep making commissions, because those videos, people who click on those videos, they are interested to buy those services. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and see you in my next videos.